That one here name, don't try this at home. Right now outside about -8. I'm gonna have nothing over my head. So that, what that mean? That means me have plan to get sick just messing around. Anyway, they're transits right now, in the transits yard. Line up myself, go across the border. So I get my paperwork them right, organize my thing, and look for the road, you get me? So right now I'm gonna deal with the thing official. They carry on through step by step, you know what I mean? Like all about what I get to learn, I mean, even though I want it kinda entertaining, want it kinda, you know, serve a purpose. That means you can pre-boot the video just in case, you know what I mean? And say, you know, try it say, or try advise to do it like this. You know what I mean? So I try it, I get it right, you get me? Before me even upload no video, so I gotta do it the right way. But anyway, don't try it at home, or if you come outside in the winter without anything for your head. It bad, can't.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Yeah, man. No sir. Alright, I organize the paperwork. You know, I just faxed it off a while ago. As I'm supposed to do this in detail so that I can get to learn it. So I fax the paperwork after the brokers, and after I fax the paperwork after the brokers, I'm supposed to call within 2 hours after my fax the paperwork, you know, to find out if I get the clearance number so that we can get this, my shipment clear. But if I drive go to the border, because you don't really want to go to the border, and your shipment not clear because I'm not going to let it through. They're going to turn it back around, and you know that our next, you know, bowl for something, because you're going to end up get scanned. They're going to scan the truck, and going to search the truck, because I mean, if you had the rightful driver, you're not supposed to come there and your goods not clear. You know, them do them thing in many ways, so you have to just do it right. Get it right first, and you don't have them over problem if you go through. But if you don't get it right, you're gonna be have little things to go through. But anyway, as I say, the last trip I make me come back in Ontario, and I'm still in Ontario, and I'm gonna make back a trip, go back in the US right now. So I'm gonna go Pennsylvania. So I'm gonna leave from Mississauga in Ontario. I go Pennsylvania. So I'm gonna go across the border. I cross the Buffalo border, basically. And as I said, I just fax off the paperwork, you know, along with the information we have on the trailer, you know what I mean? And then I got fuel. I got fuel at the gas station near the border. You know, the company always try to tell you to fuel in Canada before you go across. You know what I mean? Get enough fuel. If you join a shot, you go across. The gas suppose you can carry back. And when you fuel, you go across, come back, and then you fuel back again when you enter back in Canada. You know what I mean? You know them do them tax thing kind of watch them thing there. So you have to get it right. You have to follow rules, regulation. You know what I mean? So right now, I'm in Ontario. I'm gonna take the load. I'm hooked to my trailer right now. I go move to what? I go towards the gas station. I go shower right there. So call broker first, and then I'm on my way. You know, in the States again. And you don't know me. I carry it with me because this is a vlog, right? So anyone me there, right? Me wanna part. My links, YouTube, my viewers, them we are linking, right? All right, now stay at work. Anyway, we're soon thrown back. Start the journey now. I head towards the truck stop first. Well, I'm putting truck stop address.
You and me, we made a vow.
We up in here today. Yeah. But check it out now. Top MC. Here we go. True story. Yeah.
I got fuel. After my fuel, look for my fuel card. This is my pilot card. This I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I'm going upside down. Alright, this is my pilot card. This is a personal card you get from the gas station. Every time you fuel, you use this card, so you get points, and the points you can get coffee, anything in the store. Matter of fact, once you have enough points on this, you will get things to buy with the points. The points, you know, use like cash. You understand? And then this is my fuel card. So I put in the fuel card, then fuel my truck, and then I will get enough points to get a shower. So I go outside now, make sure I suit up that time here, because you know outside cold, you get me? So I go outside now, and I go follow me. Yeah, nah. Alright then, fuel time now. Alright, first, put in the first card. Second, put in the points card. outside to get cold. You see me? You don't know where to make sure you finish up this thing fast and come out of the
You
store.
try to get me right.
It's cold enough, you see me? So,
I'm sorry, boy.
and when it's a
No
store,
chance.
I mean, we make sure to finish up the
I
fuel. You
just
see?
wanna
Yes!
dance.
It's real! You know what I mean? So, now finish up, mate. Windscreen, I really need to wipe out. You don't know. You have everything. Da-da-dee. Make sure so you clean up your glass, there, man. So you have to deal with it, you know? You have to run out there, do what you do, you know? Fuel up, and when it get too cold, you run, come out of the truck, sit down, cool off yourself, and warm, me sure say. And then watch it, you just want to watch it, you can sit on your truck and watch it, you see me? Yeah, me watch the pump and see what I want. Back on the money train again. Alright. $603 worth of gas. Yeah, let's come back in. Yo, outside cold, you see me? Man, I'm and them freeze. I always say I need a slang, and me continue I say soon tune back in. Something goes on, soon tune back in. Who said that? Soon tune, you know what that make I use? Anytime I finish me thing them, soon tune back in. When you get used to it, you can't see me. I think you can see me still, but here we go now. Going to the bathroom, done shower. I'm sorry I couldn't get a show no more. Camera battery run out. I think it could have lost, you know what I mean? But yeah, basically that, you know, your fuel, then, you know, you get the chance to go shower, then you shower, you come back out, then you take on the journey. So now I go take on the road now if you go across the body, you see me? So that's the next step right now. So I cross at Buffalo, and that's the journey. So come in, we're ready for the road. You ready? Me ready. Alright. Mama cooking are the greatest, yes, oh yes. You know, more time you on the road that driving, you just miss the good old Jamaican food. The dumpling and banana, ackee and sawfish, curry pumpkin. Oh, curry pumpkin. No, sorry, mistake. Me not know about the curry pumpkin. But you know, you on the road and you go and bill and chili. Easy lily. Big Billy. You know what I mean? Randoms. Nobody to talk to. Nobody. All alone. Hey, I'm gonna sing for you guys. No. Anyway. Alright. You are not alone. I am here with you. Though you're far away. No.
Speed limit reduced ahead.
Ain't no matter a racist song, one sing it. A racist song. I am black. Black. Yeah, alright. No. Now sing the song. One more gear. Oh, yes, it. One more. Ah! No, sir. Yes, yes, yes. Woo! We reach. Oh, not yet. We still reach. But anyway, they're New Jersey now. I head towards.
Half mile. Turn right on Corn Road.
I head towards the to get the empty box, and then carry the empty box go on another part of New Jersey. And you know, say, we are do it, right? No. Oh, we overtake me from double line? No, man. What can I drive in someone you're going?
In a quarter mile. Turn right on Corn Road in Lynn. Approaching destination on the right side. In 250 feet. In 900 feet. Turn right on Corn Road in Lynn. Approaching destination on the right side. In 250 feet.
250 feet. Can be say man overtake me from the unbroken double line.
200 feet on the right side. You have arrived at your destination on the right side. 10. Going.
Number 10, right? Number 4, all right. Number 8, 2 or 4. Even know that. Oil for Khan Road. Good for Khan sell over there. Okay, see ya. Number 10, Khan Road. Alright, where's the employee? That means the truck will go to the next side. Alright. We are here. Sunny delight. What is gonna go inside or what? Truck park.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Nothing. I'm coming to pick up an empty Chantex.
I don't know what you got back there.
I need to go inside or can I pick it up and come back this side? Yeah.
I got some trans I can refill that now.
Yeah, very fair.
Yeah. You've been here before, right?
No.
Go down here to the first left between the two buildings.
Yeah.
Make a left, go down to door 209.
Okay, so turn right here.
Nope, off the tracks.
Okay.
Go down and see between the two buildings.
Okay, I got
You'll
it.
see all the trucks down there.
Okay, I got it.
Go to door 209 by the quarter john.
All right, thanks, man. Yeah.